Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah and welcome to my channel Crafty Chalk and Creations. I'm doing a video today of some chalk mail that I had received, and there's some things I would like for you to know in case you are not aware of it already. Alright, Chalk Couture is switched over to a new manufacturer, and this is their previous one. As you can tell, there is a color difference. Okay? Now, I also wanted to let you know, with the size A transfers, there is a slight size difference also. They are now 4.5 by 6.5 versus the 5 by 7. Now, until they completely have everything manufactured from the new manufacturer, you may be receiving a mix of transfers. You might receive from the new one that's a lighter color, and you also might receive some that are a little bit of the darker color. However, I also want to let you know, with the new manufacturer, they have a note, a little sticker here, a sticker note on the outside of the sleeve. And that note reads, "The copyright information on this transfer is mesh silk screen. Use caution, remove, or cover with tape before use." And you're probably like, what? So, with their previous manufacturer, on all their transfers, they do have copyright information, as you can see here. And that is usually printed on. With their new manufacturer, however, it is also silk screening as your design is, which means if you get any paste or ink on that, it will go onto your surface. So if you're concerned that the copyright information is too close to your design, you can cover it up with some placement tape or painter's tape, or if you want to, you can just cut it off. That's totally up to you. Another thing besides the color I wanted to let you know about, it feels much more smooth. The silk screen still feels the same. And I have not used them yet, but as you can see, they're more transparent. I love that. I'm going to tell you right now, I love that. This is perfect if you want to layer things and you just can't quite see where you're placing things. I love that feature. And as you know, with my videos, I eyeball things, and there's times it's kind of hard to line up. I'm playing a guessing game sometimes because I can't quite see my surface underneath to see if I'm lining it up as well as I possibly could. So that is another feature that I like. So I will be using these obviously in the future, and I'll give you a little bit more feedback. But I wanted to let you know about some of the differences. And until, like I said, until they switch over to everything being manufactured 100% from this company, their new company, their new manufacturing company, let me put it that way, you may receive a mix of both. I just wanted to let you know and what that note means. If you have any questions, feel free to post a comment in the comment section. I will do my best to answer if I have an answer for it. But I'll show you a couple of them that I received. This is Be a Rainbow in the Clouds. Yeah, Be a Rainbow in the Clouds. I think that is just too cute. And this is one of their minis. All right, and this one is called You Got This Minis. I think these are absolutely cute. You got your butterflies. Just use these for like little pick-me-up things, or get one of those wood blocks and you can just go ahead and change it out if you need a little bit of inspiration. I think that's really cute. Obviously I got the Shamrock, or not the Shamrock, but St. Patrick Day minis. Okay. Pretending to work. I think that's cute. This one, it would be perfect for a t-shirt. I've got a big heart, but this mouth. Some of us, we got that sassy side in us. I think this would be really cute on a t-shirt or on a tote bag. And also if you wanted to paint like a freeform heart, you could do that. Or if you have a large enough heart shape would cut out. I mean, it's Valentine's Day, Dollar Tree and places like that would have some heart shapes also. They may still have some in stock. See if this transfer fit. This is a size B transfer. 8.5 by 11. I think that would be really cute too, like if you just wanted to do a little sassy home decor. This is what they call Peaceful Garden. I'm sorry, I still have these in the sleeve, so you may see some glare. And their size C transfer is a 12 by 18. And you've got the garden mum. You've got pansies. You have the hummingbird, and you got the 2 bees. I think that is really cute. And then I also received, or ordered I should say, this is their size D transfer, and it has 4 patterns on it. It is called Found Patterns from Nature. So you're getting 4 designs in your size D, which is an 18 by 18 transfer. You have a floral one, you have the leopard print, you have the leaves, and you also have, I'm going to call this kind of an abstract, but you might want to see this as maybe a type of wood grain or just some type of lines to give some kind of textured background. These would, I personally think these would be great if you want to do a background on a surface and then you want to put like a little sign or something on top of it. You could do that, or if you just want to use it as is on another surface, like if you want to create a book cover, or if you just want to make little bookmarks, or if you want to make your own printed fabric. These are repeatable patterns. So I just thought I would show that to you and pop a few ideas. And then last but not least, this is one of the transfers I got, and I believe it's called Etched. 2 etched butterflies. This is also a size D, which is an 18 by 18 square. And you have this one, and then you have this one. This one has a little bit wider of a wingspan. If it's 18 by 18, I want to say this might be from tip to tip, approximately 16 inches. Don't quote me. It has a little bit thicker of a body, and this one has a little bit thinner of a body. And there we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that you are informed, if you have not been, know already, that I have switched over to a different manufacturer, and I wanted to let you know about the transfers and also what that sticker on the packaging means. All right, thank you so much for watching, and you have a beautiful day.